Hey friends, so I have some new products to share with you guys today, but first a huge thank you to Bonafide Organic Health for collaborating with me on this video to bring you guys certified organic and plant-derived hair care products. I know I have a lot of naturals following me that only want to use natural organic products, so these are the perfect option for you. Now the great thing about this hair care line is that you can pick the products that cater to your specific hair needs. For example, this moisturizer in oil here contains cocoa seed, which moisturizes and improves brittleness, stimulates growth, delays graying, treats dandruff, detoxifies, and adds shine and luster to your hair. There are 4 additional oils and moisturizing creams you can choose from as well, and all of the organic creams and oils contain virgin cold press oils. So a lot of work is put into these products to ensure they are free from toxic chemicals that are usually invisible. Okay, you guys, so I have washed my hair and I did use the Organic Health Living Clean Concentrated Hair Shampoo. And because this shampoo is concentrated, this big 16-ounce bottle, it will actually give you 2 16-ounce bottles. So I did take another bottle, which was empty, and I poured half of this shampoo into this bottle, and then I diluted it with the rest water. So half and half, 1 part water, 1 part of the shampoo. So I have 2 bottles now. So when I'm done with this one, I'll be able to add half water to this one and use it as a shampoo. So let me show you what the concentrated shampoo, the consistency is like. So this is the consistency of the shampoo. Just like your regular shampoo, it feels very moisturizing and it did lather up really well. So I did wash my hair with this. My hair feels super soft, super clean. So it is a clarifying shampoo. I also wanted to share with you guys the apple cider vinegar, the unpasteurized apple cider vinegar, and then the detoxifying hair treatment premium bentonite clay that this company has. And this is another option that you can use to clarify your hair. You guys know I love masks and I do them at least once a month. So since I've already done one this month, I went ahead and I just used the shampoo. But when I do try the mask out again, I'll be sure to show you guys or let you guys know how it went. But yeah, it's, you know, bentonite clay really detoxifies the hair, really gets it clean. So I figured I wouldn't do both because that's way too much for my hair and I don't want to strip my hair of its natural oils. So yeah, the shampoo was very clarifying, very clean. My scalp got really clean. It lathered really well. It felt really silky on the hair and I really like it. So this line also has a large amount of moisturizing hair creams. And as you can see, this is the Peppermint, and I love this because it has a peppermint scent to it. And I just love peppermint. And this is what it looks like. The consistency is pretty much like moussey cream, I would say, but I was reading the back of this and it says that you can use it as a leave-in moisturizer for natural hairstyles or a deep nourishing conditioner. So I'm going to be using this as a deep nourishing conditioner today. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair and let it sit for, let's see, does it say let it sit for 20 minutes? It says allowed to sit for 20 minutes and rinse out. So I'm going to try this as a deep nourishing conditioner and rinse it out. And I'm also going to use this to style my hair. So girl, a 2-for-1, a 2-in-1. Yes, I'm loving it. All right, you guys, so I rinsed out the moisturizer. I did want to tell you guys that I did sit under the dryer because I felt like it was kind of sitting on top of my hair and wasn't really penetrating my hair. Because it is a thick cream, I wanted to definitely make sure that it penetrated my hair so that my hair can get all the great benefits. So I did sit under the dryer for, well, I let it sit under a plastic bag for 10 minutes, and then the additional 10 minutes I sat under the dryer to really let this product melt into my hair, and then I rinsed it out. I actually twisted my hair up before I got underneath the dryer, and my hair feels super soft, and I just rinsed it in with the twist in. So now I'm going to be stretching my hair. Y'all know I work on stretched hair. It's just so much easier. Keeps the tangles away. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer and stretch my hair. All right, so I have blown out my hair, and next we're going to be styling this hair. And before we go on to the styling, I'm going to be applying some of the healing and moisturizing hair oil in Peppermint. This is the oil here. It has a very pepperminty smell to it, and I love it. And keep in mind that there are 5 oils in this collection, and with each oil there is the hair moisturizer. So both of these are peppermint, and I did use both of these. So this peppermint, I love it because number one, it decreases frizz, adds smoothness and silkiness, decreases hair loss. It treats your scalp for eczema and itching. So I love that it's in a little dropper too as well. It makes it easy to apply to your hair. So I'm just going to take some of this oil and just apply it to my scalp. And I'm going to massage that into my scalp. And I'm going to be using it later on as well to take down my twist. It feels really, really good. All right, you guys, let's get on to the styling. Okay, you guys, so I am just going to part a section on the side of my hair, and that's because I'm going to be creating some Bantu knots. And as you can see, I tried to do like a little heart right there, but I don't have my hair's not dense enough to be able to see the heart. So it didn't quite work out the way that I wanted it to, but I just applied some edge control, and then I twisted that section into a Bantu knot. And then I'm just going to continue to do that on the other 2 sections. And hopefully once I get all the hair pulled up, you might be able to see the heart a little bit better. I don't know, but I tried and it could be a fail, so we'll see. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to do my Bantu knots, and then I'm going to start working on the rest of my hair. All right, for the rest of my hair, I'm sectioning it off into 2 sections, the front and the back. And then I'm just going to part a section to go ahead and flat twist going forward towards my face. And I'm just going to take that front section and I'm going to flat twist all of my flat twists going towards my face, because I want my hair going towards my face. And then in the back, I'm going to be flat twisting every section going down towards the back. So because this peppermint moisturizer is not water-based, it will not revert your hair back. So for the ends of my hair, I did apply some water just to get, just to get those coils popping at the end, so I'll have a nice curl and not frizz at the end. But yes, I love the fact that it is not water-based because it doesn't revert your hair back. So I was able to obtain or keep some of that length from the blowout. So as you can see here, I just kind of put bobby pins like on my twists just to ensure that they don't unravel. But once your hair is dry, we're going to go ahead and take down these twists, and I'm going to use that peppermint oil to just keep my hands nice and moisturized. You don't need a lot because the moisturizer is very moisturizing, and a little bit goes a long way. So I'm just going to continue to unravel my flat twist, and as I'm unraveling, I'm actually also separating just, a 2-in-1. And once I have unraveled all of my flat twists, this is what I have. You guys know the deal. I'm going to take my pick and I'm going to raise the roots to give myself a little bit more height and value, and to get rid of those parts from where I flat twisted my hair. So the bonus to this style is that I'm going to add my little filigree tubes around the Bantu knots. Just gives it a cute festive look, and you will be ready for your summer festivities with this hairstyle. Very simple, very easy to do. And this is pretty much my final look, you guys. I love how moisturized my hair is. When I touch it, it doesn't feel too greasy. That's because I didn't use a whole bunch of the moisturizer or the oil. I just used literally a dime size amount on each section. So yeah, my curls are nice and defined, very shiny. My hair feels so healthy with these products. So you guys, let me know what you think about this style down below in the comment section. Also check the description box for all of the links to the products, as well as to the company's social media. I will have all of that listed in the description box. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye guys.